how to scan any QR code using your Android device. So it's quite simple. All you need is two things. First of all, you need to open up your camera and make sure that the QR code is in front of you. Let me give you an example. I'll just go ahead and open camera on my device. Then I'll go ahead and scan the code which is in front of me. So once the code has been shown, you can see the link will open up as you click on it. So go ahead and click on the link, wait for a while, and then it will open up. Let me give you another example. I'll just go ahead and open a code in front of me, open the camera and scan the code. Once this code has been scanned, you can see the option of clicking on the link. Go ahead and click on the link on your screen and you will be headed to the website or the particular app for which the QR code has been generated. So guys, this is how easy it is to scan any type of QR code using your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.